torquing down your injector on your 6.7. You want to go from side to side at first and do a preliminary torque of 44 inch-pounds on the injector hold down bolts. Now what that preliminary torque does is make sure the injector is centered in the hole and is down flush. So once you have that done, you want to back them off and leave the bolts threaded into the hole still. So right like that. So once you have these two torqued and backed off, you come over to your crossover tube. It is a 24mm nut down in there. And you want to do your preliminary torque of 133 inch-pounds. So what that does is sets the tube into the side of the injector. Then once you have 133 inch-pounds on the crossover tube nut, you're going to come over to the hold down again and do your final torque of it, alternating back and forth to 89 inch-pounds. So once that's torqued down, then you want to come back over to your crossover tube nut and do your final torque of 41 foot-pounds. Now for the crossover tube final torque, you don't want to go any more than what the torque specs recommended, because what that'll do is that will shove the crossover tube into the side of the injector and potentially crack the body. So just to recap, tighten these two bolts, 2 8mm you see there, to 44 foot-pounds, or 44 inch-pounds, sorry, and then back them off. Tighten the crossover tube nut to 133 inch-pounds. Do your final torque of 89 inch-pounds on the hold down, and then do your final torque of 41 foot-pounds on the crossover. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And yeah, that is the torque sequence on a common rail injector. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.